Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we were talking several months ago about Apple introducing lower priced MacBooks that seem to want to take advantage of the fact that Windows 10 end of support is arriving. And they, of course, are trying to get Windows users to switch. And now they've added something else. And I'll share the link if you guys want to see it. Apple has actually issued a ad mocking Windows and the blue screen of death, including talking about the famous CrowdStrike problem that happened when millions of PCs crashed together. And so it's a funny ad. It is kind of making fun at, and trying to, at the same time, probably, as Windows 10, once again, is getting to end of support, try to get maybe users to switch. So this is interesting to see. So I will share the video link with you guys if you want to go and check it out. It's been a long time since we had Apple actually create an ad that mocks Windows and Microsoft. The last one I remember are the ones where there was these two guys, there was this young cool guy that was a Mac, and the older guy in a brown suit that was a PC. And so it's, I think they're at it again, trying to get some people off of Windows and moving to the Apple ecosystem. So if you watch the ad, let me know what you think. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.